Hi friends, this is @IOldMonk and today we are with the Micromax Canvas Spark. So let me go through the design first of the smartphone. It is coming as a budget smartphone. As you can see that it is having a 4.7-inch display with QHD IPS display with the resolution of 480 into 854 I guess, and it is coming with the Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Other than this, this is the power key or the wake up key. This is the volume rocker key. In the top we are getting a 3.5mm jack. In the bottom there is a micro USB charging slot. In the back there are speakers, as you can see. This is the 8 megapixel camera with LED flash, and let me pop up the back panel of the smartphone. So it comes with the rubberized back panel. Other than this is the not removable battery. As you can see that these are the SIM slots, so it supports 3G. It is a dual SIM smartphone. This is the micro card SD slot. So this is what it comes. It will be available in two colors. There will be grey and silver, what I am holding right now. The other will be white and gold. So this will be the two colors coming with the. And let me go through the device first. It comes with a 1.3 GHz with quad-core processor, and it comes with a 2000 milliampere battery. Let me go through the device into the settings first. So it is running on Android 5.0 Lollipop, and other than this, it comes with the 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal storage memory, and can be expandable up to 32 GB. Let me show you the internal storage of the smartphone. So as you can see that it is the 8 GB storage. Let me go through and show you the AnTuTu score. The AnTuTu score of the smartphone is 18,475. Other than this, let me go here. This is the Neymar score of the smartphone. As you can see it very properly, it is 54.2. And we try to test some games like Subway Surfer. So it is running quite smoothly. We are not expecting long-term games in it. So as you can see that there is no lag in the game right now. So this is what it comes. It comes with this Micromax own UI, and there are some bloatwares as we can already see in the smartphone. Other than this, the smartphone looks pretty good. The price point of the smartphone is 4,999 and it will be available on Snapdeal. So this is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe to us.